Hey traders, it's Hima here. I've got a skinny dip for you and we're going to take a look at the ES futures market. Today's Friday, May 15th, 2020. Before we take a look at the charts, important reminder that trading and investing can be extremely risky business. Therefore, it's your responsibility to evaluate any information, opinion, advice, or other content contained in this video. So I want to check out the latest set of Skinny and the Mini reports to impart an important lesson about any setups you see in the market. So the Skinny and the Mini is currently part of the full Skinny lifetime. And so when you get into that portal, you can see that we have the Skinny on futures, current Skinny and the Mini reports, and here is the latest set of reports. So Friday is up here, and we can scroll to yesterday. So let's look at yesterday's report. Now, I have many features here, multiple sections of the report, but the one I really want to focus in on is the outlook. So this is the section I want to go over. So I'm going to narrate that off of the charts. So here you can see what the market looked like at the time that I published the Thursday, May 14th morning report. So there was this move to the downside, and now I'm going to narrate what the outlook was for that day. So I mentioned during the overnight, futures recovered back to 2825. So that's a high right here, and are now lower again. The outlook is still for futures to trade down to 2771. That's this old low. Notice this might, not yet confirmed, end up aligning with a bullish divergence in the bear support power zone. Triple, actually. So if you take any further short positions, watch close to protect your profits. So this is what I was saying at this time right here. Now, when you look at the actual price action that unfolded, which I'll unveil to you here, you can see what I've been talking about in terms of the setup, okay? Triple bullish divergence hadn't happened yet. It was just a regular divergence so far. Now, the next couple bars after I published the report showed price falling down into 2771 and testing 2762.63, which when you look at the report, was noted as a key support, the midpoint of the April 22nd range. And why I use midpoints so much is something I teach in depth in the 4 Zones RSI coverage system. So looking at the price action, okay, fell, and again, these are hourly bars, so all this broke down into tradable moves on, for example, the 3-minute chart, which we were using in futures trading live with my coaching students. And we had a short position that we initiated and watched down into this low. Then the triple bullish divergence did happen. And from there, you can see that futures started climbing higher. And here's how they continued on. This was the hour ending 11 a.m. Eastern, and they climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed into the end of the session, coming back to yet another resistance level I had. So the value of trusting your analysis skills and being prepared for setups that may occur is demonstrated here. The thing is, you always want to verify, okay? Trust but verify. So I trusted my analysis skills of 21 years of market analysis and deep understanding of the ES futures market to put in front of my traders, my skinny members, that this was likely to happen before it even occurred. But I told them, I reminded them, and I reminded myself to verify, make sure price is actually stabilizing at the initial target area, which it did by a 10-point window, before considering taking advantage of the strong move higher. So that's an important lesson on making sure you know how to trust your analysis and wait to verify it. And now let's take a quick look at where the ES is headed, big picture. So here's the big picture, the daily chart of the ES, and it's been rolling over in price with the RSI rolling down from the bear resistance power zone. However, it has not yet established a topping pattern. That break below 2771 on Thursday ended up being only an intraday break. So we have to, again, trust the analysis, which is suggesting that this market is topping at least short term, but verify by letting price, time, and momentum unfold that show us that that plan is actually unfolding, all right? So I'll be back at it for full skinny members on Monday with the ES and the NQ, and I'll catch you on the inside. You can sign up at himaready.com/gift to get my hot, timely, actionable updates as soon as I publish right to your inbox.